Hey guys, today I just did my first impressions of the Huda Beauty Naughty Palette. I did this makeup look, this shadow look, and I'm really loving the way it turned out. But I also swatched all of the shades for you guys, and I'm still having mixed feelings about it. So if you guys want to see how I felt about it and how the shadows performed, keep on watching. So here she is in all of her glory. I'm most excited about this one, or most curious about this one in the corner, pretty much like everybody else. It kind of looks gross, but I'm really liking the balance between the amount of shimmers and the mattes that you get. The names of the eyeshadows, she went all in. When I first looked at it online, I saw this one, I looked at this one first because I thought, oh, that's a great crease color. I thought it was called Arus, and I was like, oh, that's so cute. Like, that means bride in Farsi. And I thought that that's what she meant, but then I realized it says arouse and juicy, desire, provocative, hard, hypnotic, please me. Dang, she really went in with the names on this palette. I want to swatch it out because I'm really curious about the marble shades and how they turn out. So let's get in with the swatches. As much as I want to start off with Slippery, I'm going to go in order because I don't know if that's going to, like, the texture of this one is going to affect the way the other shadows swatch. So let's start off with this guy, Filthy, in the corner, and just make our way around. So after swatching it out, there are some shadows that perform a lot better than the others. I'll say like the darker ones, like the last row, Naughty, swatch really nicely, but a lot of them skip. I do like the shimmers, even though they're a little bit patchy. I like the way that they look. The glossy, slippery shade, that was a little bit weird, okay? It felt like I was putting lip gloss on my arm. I'm gonna do a look and then we'll reconvene. All right, guys, now that I've completed this look, I'm having mixed feelings. At first, when I was swatching them, I was like, this palette is super chunkity, chocolatey, and patchy, and I'm not into it. And then now that I have it on my eyes, I really like the way the look came out. I think what it is that, well, first of all, there was definitely some like variety there. Some of the shadows performed way better than the others. Like Naughty, I'll say, I think performed the best out of the bunch. I do like the shimmery shades, but I think it's just because like I love shimmer in general, so something is drawing me to them. But I think that the palette just doesn't have to be this big. Like you could get a similar look with just half of the shadows. When I was going in with Please Me, I felt like it was not giving me the tones that I wanted with the shimmer, so I tried to add some of the flower power, and you know, they look totally different in the palette, but when I was adding flower power to try to make it more like a brighter gold, it just wasn't really changing the tone of the look that I was going for, if that makes sense. But I do love the palette. I just think that like it could be half of it and you could kind of get the same look. So I'm torn because I do like the way the look came out, but I just don't know how I feel about the palette being this big. So what do you guys think? Have you guys tried out the Naughty palette for yourselves? And do you like it, or do you love it, or do you hate it? Are you not into it? Do you not think it's worth it, or is it worth every penny? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.